Hi everybody, my name is Aida and I'm going to present you what I did for this test. So what I created, it was a jigsaw, an animated video, an infographic, and a mind map. Okay, so I created this mind map about COVID-19 and explaining where did the virus came from, what is it, what are the symptoms, and the measures that should we take. And I use mind map online because I like these the post-its, and I have in here the option to use them and to change colors, and I can add these pictures that I can find in here. So that's why I use this one, mind map online. For the infographic, I use Canva. This is the most common resource that I use. I like it because I can find several pictures, several like images and styles that I can use in here, and it's really friendly to use and I like it very much. So I used it the same topic, COVID-19, with the symptoms, preventions, and a little bit about what is this about. For the animated video, I used COVID-19 also, and I added in here some questions. There is a question here. In here there is a fill in the blanks and a true or false question. And I like it, this one. This is the only resource, H5P, that I know to create animated videos, but it's really easy to use and it's very pretty. And for the jigsaw, I use Jigsaw Planet, and I like it, this jigsaw, because it's like a map of how the virus is in the entire world, how it spreads through in the world. And it's really easy to use this. You can choose how many pieces you want to use in the jigsaw. And I choose this topic because I have several students from different levels, and besides giving them the normal classes, we have to explain them what is happening. They have to understand that this is an important situation we're living. So I really like to create this material for them, and I'm going to present them. It's going to be very useful for me. So these are my resources. I hope you like it.